शुक्रिया मित्तल जी। जैसा कि आज हमने सुना कि डिजिटाइजेशन और टेक्नोलॉजी के बढ़ते प्रभाव से भारत और यहाँ के बड़े और छोटे बिजनेसेस और उद्यमी अपनी असीमित क्षमताओं का लाभ उठा सकते हैं। अमेज़ॉन संभव इनोवेशन के इस जज्बे को और उन युवाओं की दृढ़ता को सलाम करता है और इन्हें आगे बढ़ने, इन्हें प्रोत्साहित करने की कोशिश में जुटा है। अमेज़ॉन संभव अवार्ड इसी का प्रतीक है। Given that about 60 million small businesses employ over 11 crore people, deliver over 45% of the country's industrial output by value, and produce more than 40% of the country's total exports, small businesses are a key part of India's growth engine. The Amazon Sambhav Awards celebrate the passion and spirit of those brilliant men and women who have unlocked the power of infinite possibilities, leveraging the power of technology. Through these awards, Amazon seeks to recognize the efforts of those who have worked towards empowering small businesses and thereby contributed towards building a self-reliant India. We received over 1,200 nominations across the 11 awards, and selecting these winners was no small task. For this, we had some of the best and most qualified experts to help us with this process. Hence, on behalf of Amazon, I would like to specially thank the eminent jury members of the Amazon Sambhav Awards. Ms. Vinita Hariharan is a leading public policy exponent with excellent skills in the public sphere, anchoring programs for all external aid, World Bank, ADB, KFW, AIIB, etc. She is also a member on several strategic committees with the Government of India. Mr. Sudhir Nair has 27 years of extensive experience in business management, sales, partner management, and leadership in the technology industry. Prior to joining Cisco, Sudhir worked with Microsoft, where he led sales and marketing for the SMB segment in India and was responsible for transforming India's largest partner ecosystem to enable the digital transformation of Indian businesses. Mr. Vinay Gupta is the Global Finance Director for Deutsche Bank in India with more than 2 decades of experience in investment banking, regulatory and compliance, management information systems, business process improvement, and offshoring. Mr. Anup Jain leads the FMCG and retail investments at Orios and has over 20 years of experience of building brands across countries and categories in Procter & Gamble, Yum Brands, India.com, and Whirlpool. He has been an angel investor in areas of agri-tech, B2B tech, HR tech, and digital media. Over 2 decades of continuous learning experience from grassroots to boardrooms, Mr. N.S.N. Murthy is currently leading the Smart City practice nationally, focusing on corporates, SMBs, PSUs, governments, and IFIs solutions covering all components of Smart City. Some of these are governance, sanitation, water, Smart Cities framework, ICT integrated SC frameworks, urban transportation, urban planning, GIS, etc. A heartfelt thank you to all our jury members for investing their time and energy. So, without further ado, I would now like to call upon Mr. Pranav Bhasin, Director, Selling Partner Experience, Amazon India, to give away the first set of awards.
Thank you, Nilesh. And hello, everyone. Before we start the award ceremony, I wanted to set some context. Last year, at the first edition of Amazon Sambhav, we launched these Sambhav Awards to celebrate and recognize businesses and individuals who are pioneers and change makers in their respective fields. Our simple intention and goal was to power the ambition of lakhs of Indian small businesses by recognizing the ones who are making real impact. From the last year winners, it was a pleasure to see those businesses thrive and take wins. We hope that their story that we brought out through the awards was able to inspire many others. Through Sambhav 2021 awards, we intend to widen the scope of the awards and recognize individuals and small businesses across categories like SME digitization, startup enablement, innovation, skilling, job creation, and exports, the key foundations of building a self-reliant India. But before I get started, I wanted to invite a special guest to grace this occasion. It's my honor to invite Mr. Sunil Bharti Mittal, founder and chairperson, Bharti Enterprises.
Thank you, Pranav. I'm delighted to be here today to recognize the winners of Amazon Sambhav.
Thank you for joining us today, Mr. Mittal. And now, without further ado, let's start with the first set of awards.
Everyone, it's my absolute pleasure and honor to be here and present the next set of Amazon Sambhav Awards. The first one is, next up, we have the Innovator of the Year Award. The Innovator of the Year Award recognizes the most innovative small business products or services. It recognizes homegrown SMBs who have created the most innovative physical product and technology solutions to make a real difference. And the award goes to NWD Core Software Solutions. Founded in 2001, the company develops unique software solutions that caters to customer-specific requirements. NWD Co helped the hospitality industry provide a safer guest experience by developing Coveso, a range of contactless technologies that ensured guests received a safer experience when they stayed in or dined at a hotel. Their solutions have been showcased by the Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai, the Leela Group and the Radisson Group in India, among other prominent members of the hospitality industry. I'd like to invite Nishir Gordhandas to share a few words with us.
Good day. I am Nishir Gordhandas from NWDCO Software Solutions LLP, where we technovate your business with innovative technology. As a small business, it is extremely important to technovate, build solutions which help organizations optimize their resources and automate their processes. We aim to take that emotion to new heights by transforming and disrupting the digital landscape globally. Well, Amazon Sambhav Awards 2021 is a prestigious award, and being recognized as the Innovator of the Year is a great honor for all of us at NWDCO. We at NWDCO share the emotion of creating a self-reliant and digitized India, which is driven by passionate businesses. This award will enhance our spirit of wanting to create change and provide best-in-class consulting and optimal technology to our customers.
Thank you, Nishir, and big congratulations to you and your entire team.
I would now like to invite Mr. Sunil Bharti Mittal, founder and chairperson of Bharti Enterprises, to address the winners and share his thoughts on what these awards represent and mean for him.
Thank you, Manish. This is a very important event in anybody's life, but especially those who are making a breakthrough in their businesses at this early stage of their life. Having been there, I know the difficulties, pain, and the effort and sweat it takes to break through and get recognized early in your career, early in your life. But you must be very proud. You and your team members should feel that you have really been recognized for all the great efforts that you have done. I am acutely aware that this recognition doesn't come easy. Amazon has very high standards of judging and recognizing young entrepreneurs. So you should really feel very proud and celebrate this moment. But what does this mean for you and your businesses? Every now and then, a business needs a breakthrough, needs a recognition on the basis of which it builds for its next journey. I think this is a moment in time for you to reflect back and see all the good things that you have done which brought you to this recognition today? Importantly, are there areas that could have been done better for you to have accelerated even more? And that's going to be part of your next journey. Savor this award, go for bigger achievements in life, step on the pedal a little bit from now on, because you have momentum, you have wind in your sails. Energize your teams, inspire those around you, and get to the next level. Today's a day to celebrate. Today's a day to recognize the good work that has been done. And I would like to congratulate Amazon for having started this program of recognizing the key partners that it has on its network. And I have no doubt that this will go a long way in stabilizing and growing your businesses. So congratulations once again, and my very best to each one of you today who have won awards in different categories.
While we had 11 different winners today, the one thing they all have in common is the passion and the ambition to build a sustainable business and make a difference to their communities and to our country. And on behalf of Amazon India, I congratulate each and every one of these winners. Now enjoy the rest of the summit, and congratulations once again.